What is digital land, and why should you buy it? It's good to have real estate in your portfolio, but what if it's not actually real? And why do investors spend millions of dollars on something that looks like a monopoly board? Let's find out what digital land really is. The short answer is, it's an NFT. A non-fungible token guarantees your ownership of a parcel of land in a specific metaverse. This NFT allows you to do things with it such as reselling your digital land or building interactive venues. You can also charge admission from the visitors. Should you invest in digital land? Buying a piece of virtual land is a risky and speculative investment.
And it's gone.
If the metaverse loses popularity and people stop visiting it, land value will plunge. The volatility of digital currencies also adds to the speculative price, but these are also some of the reasons why people are drawn to it. The potential of outsized returns and the volatility is what they came for. To decrease these risks, you can diversify your portfolio by buying land in various metaverses. How to buy virtual land? Buying land is actually pretty simple. You only need a few things. First, a digital crypto wallet. Virtual land in the metaverse cannot be bought with traditional currency, so check out popular digital wallets like MetaMask. Secondly, choose a real estate platform and a parcel of land. There are several platforms that sell virtual land through tokens such as Decentraland and Sandbox. The area and amount of land will vary based on which platform you choose. A piece of land on Decentraland, for instance, measures 16 meters by 16 meters. Location is a major factor to consider when buying a piece of digital land. The visitors will likely go downtown and are less likely to visit the suburbs. This affects the price too. Now, let's use Sandbox for another example of buying land. Go to the Sandbox website, choose the Market tab and scroll down to Lands. You will see pieces of land on sale provided by Sandbox and other users on OpenSea. This is a popular NFT marketplace. For instance, you can choose land provided by another user on OpenSea. Click on it to be led to its page. You can either press Buy Now to buy it at its price, or make a custom offer to negotiate. Once your crypto money goes to the seller, your land will be allotted to your account as an NFT. Congrats on owning virtual land in the metaverse! How to make money with virtual land? There are several ways to get income from your virtual real estate. For example, you can rent it out to fellow users, host exclusive events or parties, or set up venues such as digital art galleries to showcase artists' work and charge visitors for admission. Finally, you can resell your virtual land. Thank you for watching this video. Click subscribe and tell us what you would do with virtual land in the comments below.